Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to recover a suspended Facebook account in 2025. So whether your account was disabled by mistake or due to any policy issue, I will walk you through what you can do. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important appealing process and recovery tips. So first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device. Here in the search bar, you need to search for facebook.com. Once you are on Facebook, you need to simply try login into your email address and your password and see if you are able to log into your account or if your account is actually suspended or if it is violated or disabled. So here, whenever your account is disabled, you will see these two types of options, like we have suspended your account and we have disabled your account. So you need to see which type of suspension your account has received. Once you have found that, you need to simply open a new tab, and here in the search bar you need to just search for Facebook Help Center. Once you search for it, you will find the first link of Help Center from Facebook, so you need to simply click on it. Over here, you need to go to the reporting option and select the option of reporting a problem with Facebook. After clicking on it, you will see this article where you can just scroll down and click on feedback for help center, and here you can provide your feedback. In this particular feedback, you can simply type that you and your account was suspended by mistake and now you want to get it back. Then you just have to click on the send option over here. You need to wait for 1 to 5 business days for Facebook to review your request, and they will send an update to your registered email address. You need to simply just don't submit the form multiple times. It can delay the process. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.